Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on our watch. To do it, you can simply press and hold the upper button right here. Press and hold it. Once you see the REALME logo on the screen, you can release it. So, release the button and wait until the watch is done turning on. Once the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. Find the language you like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now you should see the QR code on the screen. That means we need to download and install the REALME Link application on our phone. And you can do it in two ways. First method is to scan the QR code from the watch, and basically you will get the redirected to the download page of the application. And the second method is to open the App Store on your phone, tap on search, type in REALME Link, and then tap search. And it should redirect you to this page right here. Here we have the REALME Link application developed by REALME Mobile. Tap on the install button to install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button right here to open it. In the app, let's tap on agree. Now we need to select the location, basically our location. You can scroll through the list by swiping up and down, tap on the location you want to select, and then tap on next. Here let's tap on got it, and now you should see the home page of the app. Let's tap on the plus button right here. Now we need to log in into an account. Basically what you can do here is you can tap right here, enter the email address, and if you have the account connected to that email address, it will send you a verification code you can use to log in. Or if you don't have an account associated with this email address, it will basically let you create a new account. You can also tap on sign in with password if you want to do it with the password, basically to enter the email and the password. And you can also register new account right here, as you can see. I'm just gonna sign in with the verification code, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email, tap next, tap on accept. Now I'm gonna wait for the code. And once I receive the code, I can enter it. And then tap sign in. Let's use the pattern to verify. As you can see, we are logged in now. Let's tap on the plus button again. And as you can see, the application is warning us that we need to turn on the Bluetooth for this to work. So, of course, we need to check if the Bluetooth is turned on. I didn't, and as you can see, mine is turned off. So let's tap on the Bluetooth icon to enable it. And now we have the list of different devices. We have band, watch, audio, appliances. Let's tap on the watch. Scroll down, find the REALME Watch S on the list. Tap on it. Tap on got it. And here we need to allow the permission for the location. I mean, you can also deny it, but I'm not sure if the pairing will work if you deny the location permission. So I'm just gonna allow it for now. And as you can see, the app found the watch rather. Let's select it by tapping on it. Confirm the pairing on the watch by tapping on the check mark. Then tap on Get Started. Here we can configure our profile. Then we need to agree to the terms of use by checking the box and tapping on the agree. And here we can customize the permission requests. We can allow the permission for the call reminders, notifications, music playback control, and weather. And you can check or uncheck the boxes if you want. Then tap next. As you can see, we need, or rather, we're being told that the app notification permission is not turned on, and we can tap on turn on right here. It will redirect us to notification access. Let's select the REALME link application right here, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and now we can go back. This basically allows the application to send the notifications from your phone to your watch. Again, we can allow some more permissions if we want to use the features we checked before, like call reminders and stuff like that. If you don't want to use them, you can deny the permissions. I'm just gonna allow them all. And once you're done dealing with the permissions, you should get redirected to the device page of your REALME Watch S. And here we have it. And as you can see, the watch is working as well. So if we wake up the screen, here we have our watch, we can use it. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.